Today in the garage, I'm going to install a submersible fuel pump for my 58 GMC pickup. It's a universal kit that can even be retrofit to a factory tank. Overall tank height is 9 inches. Minus the fuel pump sump and the gasket, I ended up cutting 7 inches off the bracket. For the test fit inside the tank, I assembled the module bracket to the sump, snug but room for adjustability. Here you can see the adjustability of the bracket at work. Some more adjustability was needed, so out came the file. This is what I used for the thread sealant on all the threads. After installing the barb fittings, I installed the rollover valve. Here you can see I'm cutting the return line to length. A little heat helped the return line slide over the barb easily. The fuel pickup filter just gets pressed on. All components seemed to fit correctly, so I moved on to final assembly. It's recommended that wire connections are soldered and heat shrink tubing utilized. Didn't have any on hand, so I'll go back and do this later. Here I'm assembling an assortment of hardware, including nylon washers and O-rings. Here's a look at the module fully assembled. It's recommended that these screws get thread sealant. I'll go back and do this as well later.